2 years of videos, a presence on all the socials, but how much money do I earn on YouTube? I promise, you're going to be surprised. You've no doubt clicked on this video because you are thinking of or has just started your YouTube journey and wondering if it's actually worth it. In this video, I'm going to be brutally honest. I promise you're likely going to be very surprised, but please wait to the end to find out the real reason I do YouTube videos. Just in case you don't know, we are Vanlife goodies and we travel in our T5 VW campervan. You can find us on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram and TikTok. And if you're a regular watcher and you haven't already subscribed, please do. If you click the subscribe button, it costs absolutely nothing. And if you click the bell, you won't miss a video when we upload. Okay, so the statistics. My first video went out on March 2019. Since then, I've uploaded 193 videos, some long form videos and some shorts. I monetised in February 2021 with 1k subscribers and the relevant watch time. We now have 3,700 subscribers, upload shorts most days and long form every 2 weeks. So how do I make money? Number one, advertisements. So before and during a video, if you decide to let the adverts play, I get a small amount of commission for this. Number two, affiliate links. So these are clickable links in the description that take you to our Amazon shop and our eBay shop. And if you decide to click on one of these links to go and look at the products we use, I get a small commission for that. And number three is merch. If you follow us on Instagram or TikTok, you will know I make products for Campervan. I have an eBay and Etsy shop, and obviously I make profit if you decide to buy one of these. Number four would be sponsorships. Now, I'm not a big enough channel to get paid for sponsorships, but I guess in the future that could be an opportunity. So this is where a company will sponsor you to promote their product if you feel it's relevant for your viewers, and they will pay you a certain amount to do that. So how much do we actually earn? I posted a video in February this year asking the question, how much did my campervan cost? This video involved some planning beforehand and gave an overview of how and why we bought our campervan. So far this video has received just over 10,000 views and continues to be watched, and since it went live has made a total of £38.99. However, I also posted a video of a trip to London in 2022, mostly as a memory for my daughter Macy. It wasn't van related, and so it still only has 225 views. And since that went live, that's made a total of £1.31. My highest viewed video is my van tour, posted in July 2020, and that's received 123,000 views to date. And since it went live, it's made me a total of £212. So altogether, I've posted 193 videos, which involves the planning, the filming, the editing and the posting across various social media sites. I have no previous experience, and everything I've learnt from YouTube and Google. It's been quite a journey. If I make any money, it goes into a separate bank account and is reinvested into the business for things for the channel, like video gear, products I can use and review, music for the video. So I use Epidemic Sound. If you're interested, there's a link below. Supplies to make my merch and external hard drives. If you know, you know. So what's my monthly income? So to do this, I've totaled my earnings for the last year on YouTube, Amazon Associates and eBay Partners, and divided it by 12 to get a monthly income. So YouTube was £395.40, Amazon Associates was £27.18, eBay Partners was £20.67, making a total monthly income of £36.93. I know what you're thinking. Okay, so why do I do it? Well, I'm sharing this truth because it appears to me that most people think that you earn lots of money on YouTube. Of course, you can earn good money, but certainly not at my level. I film and edit and share the videos for 4 reasons. Okay, number 1, I always wanted to be a film director of all things. Obviously, that's not the career I ended up in, but I guess this kind of scratches that itch. Number 2. To create lasting memories of our trips in the van with our family. We love watching how the kids have grown and remembering the weekend that looked great on YouTube but was actually full of arguments. And number 3, one day Dave and I would love to travel to so many places in this van. Okay, a kind of semi-retirement plan. And if I haven't already established following on YouTube, then this will financially support our travels. Number 4 has been a very unexpected perk. So people watch our videos and some people actually enjoy them and comment and share ideas and like our videos and offer encouragement on our videos. And this is such a boost to a small channel. And it's an unexpected perk. This is not something we expected, and it really gives you a boost of confidence. So that's it, an honest review of our earnings on YouTube. Tell me what you think in the comments. Are you surprised? Now, if you are still watching the video to the end, then thank you very much. And I'm going to share a few ways that you could help us out as a channel to grow, to buy new equipment. I would love a drone so I can get some brilliant shots of where we visit and things. That's my next plan. If you can watch and like and comment on the video, this really is an encouragement and it helps to boost the video. Share the video. If you think someone else will enjoy it, please share it on your social media. Don't skip the adverts. If you decide to watch the adverts, I get a bit more commission for that. So thank you very much if you can put up with the adverts rather than skipping, although I'd skip them myself, I get it. If you're buying anything on eBay or Amazon, go via our affiliate links. So even if you're just buying socks, it will still send some commission our way because we sent you to Amazon or eBay. And also, buy merch for your campervan. So if you've got a campervan and you want some unique washable waste bins, go and have a look at the links below at my eBay shop and see if there's anything you like. But really, we do this because we enjoy it, and a little bit of pocket money is always a bonus. So until next time, happy travels. Thanks for watching.